So, summer is here, and you're probably going to be spending a lot of time at either the beach or cookouts or with friends. So, you want to have something fun and easy that everybody can enjoy that you can make on the go? Well, let me tell you about this street corn dip that I love making that always seems to be a huge hit. I do have to warn you, this is so addicting and a little on the fattening side, so you may want to be careful who you consider friends that you're feeding it to. Maybe feed it to your enemies, I don't know. Either way, we're going to start with the smoky jalapeno mayonnaise and some corn. I like to buy the one that comes with the red and green peppers already in it, but you don't necessarily have to use that one. You're also going to want to grab about a cup of shredded cheese. I like to use a Mexican blend, and of course some chives to top it off. If you want to use something for extra thickness, I recommend grabbing some cream cheese, but I'm not using that in this time. These are the tools you're going to need: just a bowl, can opener, and a spatula to blend this whole concoction right up. This is so easy. You can take this with you on the go and make it when you get there. It's going to take you a whole of 30 seconds to throw together. So let's go ahead and do that. You're first going to go ahead and take your mayonnaise. I found this smoky chipotle one at Hannaford's. If you don't have this variety, you can usually use a chipotle one and it'll taste just as enjoyable. If you happen to be using a vegan substitution, you can just add in a spice packet. Sometimes they have street corn spice packets already made at the grocery store. If not, you can just blend up some cayenne pepper and parsley, usually about a tablespoon of each, and call it a day. I'm going to go ahead and empty this whole entire jar into my bowl. And if you are someone who wanted that extra thickness, after you finish adding in this whole entire jar of mayonnaise, you're going to want to go ahead and add in your cream cheese and mix the two together. I'm going to go ahead and skip that step because this is heavy enough for me, as is today, but making sure you get every single last drop of that mayonnaise out. You see how I clean this jar? Exactly. Every single drop counts. Once you've added in all the mayonnaise and your optional cream cheese, if you're adding that, and blended everything smoothly, it's time to add your main ingredient, the corn. If your corn has water in it, you're going to need to drain it first. You really don't need any of the extra liquids in there. So go ahead, open your can, drain it up, unless you got this vacuum-packed stuff like me, and dump it on in. If you decided to get frozen corn instead, which is definitely an option, you are going to want to use at least 2 cups of frozen corn. But I'm making this really easy on myself and grabbing the canned stuff so I can just open it, drain it, dump it, and go. Next, you're going to want to add your cheese. Either cheddar or a Mexican blend is preferred, and a cup of that. With your chives, you're going to want to add about 2 tablespoons. I don't really believe in measuring, so I'm just going to go ahead and dump these right in. But 1 to 2 tablespoons is what you're going to want for these, depending on how much you like chives, I suppose. Then comes the fun part. Go ahead and mix all this up. Just twist and turn it and fold it all together until you've got one giant dippable bowl full of street corn dip. And that's literally it. Now you are ready to eat this. No need to heat it up, but I do also recommend it nice and cool. It's kind of good frozen, but no judgment. You can have it at room temperature. I personally would not recommend heating it up. There's really no need for that. But if you decide that you like it like that, more power to you. Pair this bad boy with some chips, bring it to the beach, lay out in your backyard and eat it, bring it to the family barbecue. I guarantee you, people will become addicted to this. And believe it or not only is this good as a dip, but it's also pretty good if you throw it inside a burrito or on top of a taco salad. This is absolutely one of my summer favorites, and I hope it becomes one of yours too. Let me know in the comments below if you plan to try this, and thanks for watching.